Crystal from Crafted Sides Reese more. We're just using a party size bag tablecloth. It's plastic, and I laid it down on my mat. And I'm going to be using my crimping shears because I like how it gives a neat edge. I thought you could also use the scissors that you use for scrapbooking, the ones that has all the different curly designs on them. Okay, I'm just going to cut these 3 by 3. So I'm just going to go down through here, and you can use a blade and it will be a lot faster. Okay, and then I turn it over here, and I measure it 3 inches. Cut it. 3 inches. Then after I get this, see how it was folded? I left it all folded up like it come out of the bag. And so there's 4 sheets here. So I take the top sheet, and then I have to flip the next one over from the top sheet, the next one over. And I get a whole stack of these. And after I get a stack of these, then I'll take styrofoam balls. You can use whatever size you want. I have these. And then I also have the little trees. You can get these at Hobby Lobby. Half price at the 50% off, 40% off. It's a really good deal. And then we'll take this, one of these little squares, and this is the top. So we want to be able to see the top part. And we'll just like pinch it. Pinch it in the center. And then you take whatever you want to use. I'll take one of these. And the best thing to do is put a hanger on first, but we'll poke a little hole. Actually, it's easiest to do it this way. Put that in the center. Poke your hole where you want it. Pull it back. Put your dab of glue in there. Then, just kind of stab this down in there. You can use anything. But you want to get the middle of it down in there, however deep you want it. Because if you want it to be real fluffy, I think I'm going to use both. If you want it to be real fluffy, then you'd leave it sticking out pretty good. And see how I like how it's ruffled like that? And you would do that all the way around. And then I have one here that's done, where I used a red tablecloth. It just kept stuffing. And I just used a little string at the top, and you would do that the same way. Just punch a little hole, put your glue in there, and put it in. And look how cute. I'll show you a picture when I get this done. I decided to go with the tip of a paintbrush, y'all, because it does not rip that. It's smooth, and it's a tip, and don't rip. And I know the hot glue to put it on there really quick, and then jab it in. It's not that bad. And you just get them as tight, as close as you can, and go around. What I did is I did a line, and then a line, and a line, and a line, and a line until I got to the dot, and then I did the other side. But anyway, don't forget your hanger. Taking this little ribbon, it says Merry Christmas, and it's got a little doggy and a truck on it that I got from the Dollar Tree. It says Merry Christmas on it. I'm making my little hanger out of that. So I'll cut me a piece off, and taking my paintbrush, tip of my paintbrush, put me a dab of glue on there, and then I'm going to stab that right down in there. Doesn't really matter because just whatever you make is your top. Put that in there, and there is your hanger, and let it dry. Look how cute. After we have our squares cut, I'm going to fold it like this to where it's not, see how it's kind of offset? Fold it again. And then I'm going to flip this under right over top of that. I'm using a paintbrush end. It's round, it's not too sharp. Fold that right over. Use a low temp heat gun right beside where you put that, your hanger. Just put just a little dab of glue. Wait just a few seconds for that to cool off, because this is a plastic. Now if you're using fabric, it's not so important. Let it cool off for just a second, and push it down in there. And there you go. And you'll do the whole ball that way. And when you get done, I'll show you what it looks like. And here we are, the end result. You can use any color. Here's a red one too. And they're really cute. And if you use the crimping shears, it gives it little cut edges. It makes it really, really cute. All right, y'all. Have fun with these. Bye.